to lesson number 3, Protections in GAM. Well, we will review the different types of protections available, as well as how to implement inventory exclusion, competition, and blocking rules. Let's start. Protections with GAM. Protections help you manage your brand, avoid competing advertisers' ads from appearing together, and determine which inventory, if any, you want to make available to the open auction. Before we begin exploring the topic of blocking rules, we're going to see the 3 different types of protections for your inventory. The first one, ad content. You manage the brands of your websites or apps with targeting, blocks, or opt-ins for specific ads. The second one, inventory exclusion. It allows you to exclude inventory or targeting values. Lastly, we have competition. Protections stop ads from advertisers in similar market from appearing together. Your advertisers won't need to compete for the same users during an ad experience. Now let's see an example of blocking rules. Blocking rules are part of the ad content category. So we're going to see an example now. First, you decide to opt in to alcohol ads, but you decide to block all buyers with the following exceptions of advertiser 1, advertiser 2, and advertiser 3 that is related to the opt-in for alcohol ads. So in practice, what it's going to happen is that regardless that you opt in for alcohol ads, that this would mean any advertiser that is related to this category, you will only receive traffic from advertiser A, B, and C. All the other traffic will be blocked. Now let's check how to implement it in GAM. To create a competition rule, you're going to go to New Protections Competition. Here you can choose the name of your preference, and as with other rules, you can choose to target all the inventory or maybe just a specific ad unit that you would like to create this protection for. Then you can choose from different categories for the competitor that you're gonna block, or in other case, you can choose an advertiser or a brand. After you've chosen these settings, you're gonna click Save, and that's it. Inventory exclusion is a great way to use if you wanna, as the name says, exclude different types of inventory or ads to run on your network or web page. So we're gonna click on New Protections and choose Inventory Exclusion. Then we're gonna choose the name of our preference, and below it you can choose the inventory type that you wanna exclude, whether it's video, web, or in-app. Then on targeting, you can choose to apply this to all the existing inventory or just a specific ad unit. After you've chosen the settings that you want your protection rule for, you can add the targeting. You have different options to choose from. And finally, you can click Save. To create blocking rules, you have to go to your protections and click on New Rule. You're going to choose Add Content once. And here you can name your blocking rule as you wish. Then you're going to see that in targeting, you can protect all the inventory you have available or just a specific one. You can add a targeting, for example, if you can only want to block some ad sites for certain countries, etc. And then you can block different ad experiences, different advertisers or brands that you can select from it. You can choose to block all of them or just some specific ones. Then you have general categories that you can block from any advertisers to appear on your inventory. We have also sensitive categories that if you choose to block any of them, you won't have any ads from these categories. Additionally, you can also block buyers from buying your inventory. And you can also play around with some custom labels, advertiser URLs, in case you are having some deals with specific advertisers and you don't want them to compete with each other, and then cookies and data uses. We strongly recommend that you explore all the categories of blocking rules so that you can improve the quality of your inventory, and it allows to have less competition when you are promoting a brand. This will give them a more accurate, and it will give you more confidence in where they're buying from you. We've reached the end of our lesson, and today we learn about different protections that we can use in GAM for ad content, inventory exclusion, and competition. We learned that with blocking rules, we can help our brand and protect it, in which advertisers are going to appear, and even to reduce competition for our customers. Thank you so much for watching.